Today I'm going to be showing you how to build this, a Lego phone stand, and it's also foldable. You just put your phone on here, and this is a little bit to change the angle of your phone. So let's get building. First step you want to do is you want to get all of these parts. So we need 6 of these black little double connectors with the axle hole, and we need 6 of these half axle, half pins. We need 1 6 long axle and 2 4 stub long axles and 2 of these smaller L-shaped pieces. Okay, so the first step, once you've gathered all that, is to essentially just make 6 of them. Okay, so now that we've got that, we can move on to the next step, which is just to get these. Place it in here, place it in here. Get this, place it in here, I'll place it in here. We can set the other side until we've completed the next step, which is to place this here and here. So it's just 1 stud in, and get the other one. Place that in, and place that in, and that's that step done. Let's move on to that stage. We're going to need a 15 long beam, an 11 long beam, and a 7 long beam. 4 of these black connector pieces, and 1 of these little connector pieces with a little, I'm not really sure what you call that, but with one of the little balls on the end, and 1 of the smaller L's. So the first thing we want to do is you want to place the little ball piece in here, so it's just there. Next you want to pick up 2 of these. There's 1 in here and 1 here. Then you should have this sort of shape. What you want to do next is you want to get your 15 long and place it just here, like so. You should have this shape. Well, it's good if you do. Just go back and watch it again if you don't, because this is very important where you put this, because it can throw the whole thing off if it's not right. Okay, so the next step is to get another little pin and place it 4 studs away from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you want to get 1 of these and place it in here, like so. So this should be 3 studs over, like that. Next, you want to get 1 of these and place 1 stud in here, and then just connect these 2 pieces here and here. Now you should see you have a little piece that folds out like that. Okay, on to step 3. Step 3, you want to gather all the same parts, a 15, an 11, and 7, and 1 of these little L's, 4 of these little black pins, and 1 of these black pins with a ball. So it's just the same, except for you're mirroring it on the other side. And just like that, so it's mirrored. And in there. And just 1. I know what I'm doing. Just 4 in here, and a little beam in here, and over. And just get this and place this in here. So you should have 2 completely identical parts. Okay, now we're in step 4. You want to turn one of your left piece on its side like so. Place your little bit with an L the L should be facing away from where this little thing is coming out. And turn it over. And to get your longer one, and you're going to put your longer one in the longer one goes in here, this one goes here, and this one goes down here. So you should have a shape like this with your short piece. You should have short pieces at the top of your 15 and at your bottom and top with a little L piece here. And you should have your longer one at the end of your 11. And now we just mirror the same just by pressing these pieces in here and in here. Now you should have a Lego phone stand, which works pretty well for tablet too. And you can change the angle with this piece, and it's completely fold downable. So there we go. Thanks for watching.